In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move overlapping labels in Tableau. If you've ever found yourself struggling with this issue in your data visualizations, don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step. Let's get started by diving into the Tableau desktop app. You'll want to make sure it's installed and ready on your computer. Once you've opened the app, the next step is to access the worksheet where you plan to create your visual. This is where the magic begins, your canvas for data storytelling. Now, you're ready to create a visual. Start by dragging the discount measure onto the size card. This action will allow you to manipulate the size of your data points based on discount values, which can add a layer of depth to your visual. After you've done that, right-click on the field and select Average. This will ensure you're working with average discount data, providing a smoother and more aggregated view. Next, you'll drag the subcategory dimension to the label card. This step is crucial as it assigns labels to your data points, allowing viewers to quickly understand what each point represents. Then it's time to add a splash of color. Take the profit measure and drag it onto the color card. This will visually differentiate your data based on profit values, making it easier to identify patterns and trends. To refine your chart further, change the mark type to circle. Circular marks can help in distinguishing data points more clearly, especially when dealing with overlapping labels. Afterward, to narrow down your focus, drag the segment dimension to the filters card. When the filter window opens, select Corporate and apply this filter by clicking OK. This action filters your data to only display the corporate segment. To further refine, drag Region to the filters card and select West in the pop-up window. Again, click Apply and OK. By filtering your data down to specific segments and regions, you're building a narrative that focuses on targeted insights. Finally, let's tackle those overlapping labels. If you notice your labels are overlapping, simply click on the label you want to adjust. Drag the label to a new position to ensure clarity and avoid confusion in your visual. Adjusting labels manually is a quick and effective way to improve the readability of your charts. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted overlapping labels in Tableau, making your data visuals clear and insightful. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your Tableau skills. Keep practicing and exploring Tableau's powerful capabilities. Until next time, happy visualizing.